Hi everyone, thanks for joining. This is just a very quick and dirty pour. I was asked to test out a mixture of colors when it comes to different mediums, and so I just helped out a friend, and therefore I now have some colors that I've mixed and tested, which I need to use, I guess. So this was not planned, so let's make a little pour today. Just a very quick video. It's a purple, it's a metallic light pink-ish and metallic gold. Let's just see. I have added silicone. Yes, I've added silicone to each of these paints. Just going to layer them up, flip it around and stretch it. I have not done a dirty pour, flip cup, whatever, for some time now. So let's see what we can come up with. So this is probably too much paint, as always, but I did not plan this. I have some commissions to do when it comes to painting, and I did not plan to make any pourings for the rest of the week, but I didn't want to waste the paints and I have nothing to really store them, so let's see. It's going to be a mess. Okay, it's better. Let's just put some of these cups underneath so that it can dry evenly, because it's just a canvas board. And now you want to see what happens when I torch it, so let's torch at least these parts here. So yeah, I will show you the end result when this one is dry. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next videos, which will be longer and more planned, but for now, that's it. So thank you for joining. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already, and yeah, give me a like if you liked this result somewhat. So see ya. Bye bye.